Welcome to 80 Willow Trace Drive in Phenix City, Alabama. This fantastic home is priced at a terrific value and in pristine condition. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and almost 2,400 square feet on a terrific corner lot. The main floor offers an open plan with gorgeous flooring. This home is equipped with smart home technology and it's in wonderful condition. This one is definitely move-in ready. All of the bedrooms are located upstairs as well as the laundry room. Each bedroom is spacious with good closet storage. The master suite is incredible with a beautiful ensuite bath and wonderful walk-in closet. Out back is a large fenced backyard with plenty of room to play. This is 80 Willow Trace Drive in Phenix City, Alabama. Come check it out. Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you are interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw at 706-358-4064.